Are you tired of dealing with lost house keys, wondering if you turned off the lock, or worrying about your home's security? You're in the right place because we're going to review the August Smart Lock 3rd Gen and see if it can solve all these problems. For the best price, click the link in the description. But here's what surprised me about this smart lock. It's not just a simple locking system. Therefore, you need to know how it works before making any decisions. Did you know that the August Smart Lock 3rd Gen is compatible with over 400 smart home devices? That means you can control your lock using voice commands with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. This integration opens up new possibilities for automating your home's security, but what about its actual performance? The August Smart Lock 3rd Gen has a 128-bit AES encryption, which is the same level of encryption used by banks to secure online transactions. Therefore, you don't have to worry about unauthorized access to your home. One thing that sets this smart lock apart from others is its battery life. It can last up to 6 months on a single charge. This means less hassle for you and more time to focus on other things. But how does it handle power outages? During power outages, the August Smart Lock 3rd Gen has a backup battery that keeps your lock functioning, so you don't have to worry about being locked out of your home. Therefore, this smart lock is not just convenient, but also reliable. But what if I told you that this smart lock can be controlled remotely? With the August app, you can grant access to guests or family members and even receive notifications when someone enters or leaves your home. This level of control opens up new possibilities for your home's security, but how does it fit into your existing door? The August Smart Lock 3rd Gen is designed to work with most standard doors, making installation a breeze. Therefore, you don't have to worry about complicated setup procedures. But what if I told you that this smart lock can learn your habits and preferences? With the August app, you can set customized access rules based on your schedule or location. This level of personalization opens up new possibilities for your home's security. But how does it hold up against external factors like weather? The August Smart Lock 3rd Gen is designed to withstand extreme temperatures and weather conditions, making it a reliable choice for your home's security. Therefore, the August Smart Lock 3rd Gen offers a comprehensive smart locking system that can be integrated with over 400 devices, has robust encryption, long battery life, remote control capabilities, and customization options. This makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their home's security. But how much does it cost? The price of the August Smart Lock 3rd Gen varies depending on the retailer and any promotions that may be available. Therefore, I recommend checking the current price on Amazon by clicking the link in the description. In conclusion, the August Smart Lock 3rd Gen is a reliable and feature-rich smart lock that offers everything you need to upgrade your home's security. Whether you're looking for remote control capabilities or customized access rules, this smart lock has got you covered. For the best price on Amazon, click the link in the description and get ready to take your home's security to the next level.